So I just finished my second interview for my listing sprint before I craft everything together and get with my mentor. And honestly, it has gone so well. I am so proud of myself for putting myself out there and choosing to just not necessarily be more aggressive, but be a little bit more in what I need to get done and not be so much of a pushover. And I'm just now realizing that whatever you work towards, whatever you're working on, it gets easier. It gets so much easier the more you keep pushing yourself and putting yourself in new environments and realizing that it's not as bad as people make it out to be. I know we're so used to, staying in our comfort zone and this is all we know, but it's not. We could do so much better. And I'm taking 2026 to do just that. I'm taking 2026 to face my fears, figure out the woman I want to become, what that identity looks like, and then just starting from there. There's no better time to start than now. And it's never too late to start. I'm 32 and I'm revamping everything that I thought I knew about the career path I wanted, the ideas, whatever you want to call it. I'm just rethinking it all and realizing that there's so much bigger and better things out here. So, this is my short little tidbit to let you know that you can do the shit that you're thinking. The ideas, the thoughts that you have in your head are not by accident whatsoever. None of it's by accident. They were given to you for a reason. And at that point, whatever you do with that information, time's going to go by, whether you like it or not. So, whether you decide to take action, don't take action, time is still passing by. So, that being said, have a wonderful Thursday. I'm probably going to post this on another day or whatever, but so whatever day that you see this, have a wonderful day. Get out there, do something crazy, do something adventurous, do something that's out of your comfort zone and see how it feels. You'll be so much better for it.